Introducing myself while I draw. So I'm going to present a charcoal painting to you guys. I do mixed media, and my mixed media basically includes watercolors, poster colors, charcoals, and acrylics and oil paints as well. So I am an artist by my passion, and that is what drives me to explore myself, to make mistakes, and to get better. So I am doing a charcoal painting, but I'm drawing a rough scenario over here because charcoals are non-erasable. So it is just an outlay. Now I'll be doing with my charcoals. These are my charcoals over here. And I'll be doing with that. So charcoals are basically have a very different variety, though even though we don't really know much about them because they are not much. Basically, art is not much because I can see that even though I am interested in arts and I have so much interest, I still don't know so much about visual arts that I've seen right now. And I'm thankful to Avaz for creating such a platform for that. But then even charcoals are like that because paintings, mostly everybody knows about paints as though they are just about paints and watercolors. What effects and what things go beyond those, we don't really know much about them. So right now I'm using powder charcoal. I am not professionally trained. I have no professional training in charcoals, but then in any form of art, this is just how I've practiced over time. I've explored, I've made mistakes and learned. But then one thing I know that in art there are no mistakes because each time you make a mistake, you make a new creation. And that is how you discover yourself and your talent as well. For me, art is meditative, a way to express myself.
Haleen, can you unmute yourself? Like the sound of the texture was amazing. Oh wow. Okay, so she has something to show. Whoa, that is so cool. Uh, just Haleen, can I request you to unmute yourself? Like, if you can unmute yourself. Yeah, that's so brilliant. Like that was amazing.
So actually, I did not realize that I was on mute. I was speaking side by side and explaining things, and I just realized that I was on mute.
That's okay. It's like first time. Oh,
So basically, this is charcoal painting. The initial product that I used was powder charcoal, and there are various forms of charcoals. I've just experimented a lot, and I have no formal studies about any form of art. I've just explored my passion, and then I've got to know about it, to explore myself. I'm just exploring myself now as well.
super,
This
super.
is all just my passion, what I've been doing.
That's really, really cool. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, I think, and to create this in 7 minutes just totally like blows my mind because it's lovely. And she's like on time, guys. So amazing. Like, really, can we have a great, huge amount of applause? Like, wow.